I'm joined by Stephen Johnson, MD of Shawbrook Bank, because we'd love to hear Stephen's comments on our trending topic at the moment, which is whether homeowners and new MMR legislation squeezing them out of the residential mortgage market is going to push them into the private rented sector. So Stephen, do you have a view on this? Is it really big news?
I think it's another example of where the MMR has made it harder for the homeowner to get a mortgage. Mortgage approvals are down again this month. The kind of I think it's quite sensationalist in terms of headlines around, is it really going to affect people quite as badly as it's kind of been portrayed? I suspect not. It does look like a little bit of an unintended consequence and probably a slight overreaction from the lenders, who are all pretty fearful of interpreting the MMR at the moment. Mm-hmm. So I suspect you will see, the next sort of 6 to 9 months, some movement from lenders as they start to understand the MMR a bit better, maybe have a bit more engagement with the regulator. So I think this particular issue about lending into retirement post sort of 75, I think you'll start to see a bit more flexibility around. So I don't think it's going to be a long-term problem. But having said that, just generally the kind of headwinds for people being a homeowner and getting a mortgage continue, and that will and continues to underpin sort of tenant demand, and I don't see that changing. So I do think the outlook is tough if you want to be a homeowner getting a mortgage. It'll probably get a little bit easier, as I say, when lenders become a bit more accustomed to the rules, but for the moment I think it continues to be difficult and therefore driving a lot of people into the PRS.